Okay, number 2, what we did kanina. Okay, so, bola. Okay, so, unsa man to'y process ka nahitabo kanina. Okay, ang tawag dyan is paradigm. It's paradigm from the Greek word paradigma. Okay, so what is paradigma? Okay, patterns of behavior. Okay, meaning to say, matic. What's the word? Diba? This is the way of doing things. Dili lagi na, dapat ingunaan ni Gyud. Tama? The traditional way. But kanina, sige naman, innovate. Okay, so, the lesson is simple. Unless you break paradigms. Kanandan ba? Patterns of behavior. Pag dili na ito na i-break, walay breakthrough, you will remain the same. Okay, tanaw magod ninyo ganina from how many, 2 minutes, pila na lang, 1, anong nahitabo? Are you breaking rules? No, right? But you are innovating. You are reinventing. You are recalibrating. Okay? So, again, I want to over-communicate. Simple lang. Break paradigms. Okay, you have to break through. Kung naanda na to, break that one. Break the patterns. It is only when you break patterns, you will achieve different things in life. Okay, inay mong katapad, change paradigm. So if the paradigm is fixed mindset, this time we have to all out. We have to paradigm shift to growth mindset. Kaya tayo hindi umasenso sa buhay. Bakit? Kasi that's how we feed ourselves. Pobre ramang good me. Di ba? Kumusta ka? Maugi hapon. Maulang hapon ang atong status ka naman. That's your talking to yourself. And the most important conversation is what? The conversations that you are doing to yourself. Atong na madunggan, istoryahin mong gawaling. Indeed, it's true. Talk to yourself. If there's best friend mo, dapat ang sarili mo ngayon. This is success. Okay? Naakadiri sa baba. Tama? You are you here, you. Bakit hindi tayo makaabot sa success? Kasi meron tayong mga baggage. Tama? There's blockage. Ang dami mong bit-bit sa buhay. Okay, what is B? Blame. Tama ba? Keep on pointing. Hindi ko kasalanan ng iba. Kasalanan kong pinanganak na mahirap. Diba? Pero ingon nila, di ba sa to? Kung pinanganak kang mahirap, no choice. Pero kung mamatay kang mahirap, di na yan pwede. Okay? What is A? What is A? Anger, ang dami natin. Galit sa mundo, galit sa sarili. Diba? You know, the best thing that you can do is to forgive yourself. Okay? To forgive your parents. Forgive your brothers and sisters. To forgive the people around you. Okay? Kaya nga tayo hindi makalipad. Kasi ang bigat-bigat natin. There's a blockage, actually. Maraming tao gustong maging successful, but I'm telling you right now, this is the thing. May blockage tayo. Di ba kita yung sandayong or kanang tubo, di ba, pag na-blockage? Okay, so this is what's happening right now. Unless, dapat tanggalin mo to. Okay? So again, what is G? Guilt. Di ba? Guilty ka. Ang dami mong guilt sa buhay. What is S? Shame. Diba, sabi niyo kanina, maulaw ta. Diba? So at least, I'm showing you one or two, siguro nataan eh. Okay? And ganun din ako noon. Ito yung mga blockage ko sa buhay. But later when I realize, I have to remove this blockage or bugs in my life or else I cannot achieve success. Does it make sense? Is it value with you? Are you learning something new here? Okay, so ganun din, no? Hindi lang to sa buhay, pati sa team natin. No? Pag mali, dili ako blame ka agad. Okay? Blame the system. Then, anger. Di ba? Kabalo ka kung sikag kasuko. Muna nga, ang imuhang edad, 25, imong naong 40. Yes, totoo. And you know what? Pag hindi mo na control ang anger, it turns out to be, mahimo na siyang sakit. Mahimo ng high blood. Tinood na siya. Tinood na siya, I'm telling you. Because negative vibes man na siya. Okay? So, unsa may mahitabo sa negativity? Mo produce mo og negative, right? Mo na ang imong buhay, puros negative. Because law of attraction. Diba? You attract. O kung negative ka, unsa i-attract nimo? Kung positive ka, unsa i-attract nimo? Ganun. And then, yes, again, guilt. Ang dami nating mga hinanakit sa buhay, na hindi natin nagawa. Okay? And shame. Okay? So, unless we remove this one. And kaya may isa pang barrier. Ito. Okay? I can't. Diba? Hindi ko kaya. I can't do it. I'm not worthy. I'm not responsible. Tama? You have to change this one. Dapat I can. I am worthy. Can we shout out? Okay, number 1, I can do it. Go.
I can do it.
Number 2.
I am responsible.
Number 3.
I am worthy.
Can we give a round of applause? Okay, unless we will take away that baggage. Mga mindset man ni siya. Mga limiting beliefs. Ano sa siya? Muna yung mga beliefs niya. Pait ani, ang tawag ani, self-limiting beliefs. Ano sa siya?
Self-limiting beliefs.
Ano sa man ang self-limiting beliefs? This beliefs. Kinsa may nagsulti nga din mo kaya? Kinsa? OMG. Yung mga ikaw rin nag-iyon sa iyong kaugaling nga din mo kaya. Is that the right mindset? Diba? Dapat kaya na to ni siya, I can. And that's the only way that if you want to soar high, achieve na to atong goal is biyain ng mga, tanggalan ng mga baggages na to. Kanang atong mga self-limiting beliefs. Okay? And we cannot blame our parents because we cannot choose our parents. And parents also cannot choose their children. Okay? So, parihara na siya. Again, paradigm. Break paradigms. This only way. Break that paradigms of blaming, anger, guilt, and shame. Break the I can't. Turn it to I can. Break that limiting beliefs. Because, you know why? Kinsa man ang ato ang nagbuhat sa ato. Kinsa? Who created us? God. So powerful. And nganong kita, anong gilimit mo na ito itong self? That's why when I ask somebody, because I'm also a national coach mentor for DTI Go Negosyo, I ask something, unsa may dream ni mo, sir, I can earn 100,000 for 1 year. Sabi ko, no, you're underestimating God. Di ba? God is very generous, God. Actually, opportunities are there. Kita lang, wala naka-recognize. But again, to put, perspective, again, number 1, you have to have the pride. Dapat unang-una yan. From within. Okay, number 2, change paradigm. Create breakthrough. Atong mga pagtuo sa unang nga mali di ay. Okay, this is the time for us, to let go of the self-limiting beliefs. Okay? Can we give a round of applause? Okay, tabi mo sa katabi mo, salamat, hindi ka natulog. Okay. But again,